My name is Gage Olschewski. I'm 29 years old, and I own Upstate Welding and Fabrication in Spencerport, New York. I've been in the welding industry since I was about 20 years old, so that 9 years. I have been welding since I was about 12, so it puts me at 17 years in the industry. I like to see something being built. My mom always said Gage likes to play with Legos and he likes to build things. He never followed the directions and always built something different. So fabrication has always been sort of my go-to. I was working on vehicles, so passenger cars at just a normal repair center. And then I switched over to heavy truck. I got the bright idea, hey, I like welding so much, I want to do it full time. So I turned a hobby into a career. The opportunity came about to start as a student in Rochester Arc Flame, and I joined. Arc Flame truly cares about their students, and they want to see you progress here. So I had the opportunity to start with Local 13, the plumbers and pipe fitters in Rochester, New York. I had worked with them for a few years, and I was given the opportunity to start my own business. My biggest accomplishment is going off my own and starting my own business and getting to where I'm at now at my age. Every business has a niche, and my niche that I found was building Kubota specific parts. You know, there's a series of tractors that I do specific parts for. One, I do a grill guard. The other one I do fenders for. And then the RTVs, there are quite a few items I do there. Custom light bar brackets, bed extenders, all sorts of fun and cool items. I feel I got my money well spent. There's always room for growth for teaching, but for just walking into a program with somebody being green, not knowing anything, it's a very, very good program to be a part of. I came with a little experience myself, but I fine-tuned it with Arc Flame, and I highly recommend it for anybody with some experience, with more experience than others, or being very new in the industry.